Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. It's your host Shivam on the channel Innovation Online. Hope you all are safe in this pandemic situation. Now, without further wasting any time, let's jump right into our today's topic for the best books on data structures and algorithms. Algorithms are language agnostic, and any programmer worth their salt should be able to convert them into code in their programming language of their choice. Unfortunately, I have come across several programmers who are really good on programming languages like Java or Python, like knows every minor details of the API and the language intricacies, but has a poor knowledge of fundamentals of algorithms and data structure. Just ask them to implement any popular sorting algorithm like quicksort or merge sort and they will fall apart. If you expect them to know more advanced and complex algorithms like string algorithms, graph algorithms, tree traversal, or greedy algorithms, be ready to check on their interviews, otherwise you might end up on those some surprises. Algorithms are tools of uh, developing the programming solving skill and the coding sense, which is required to convert a user requirement into the line of code, also known as the computer program. They're also around, if you use Facebook, have you ever thought how they find your friends so easily, or how does Netflix recommends the movie you want to watch? Those are just a couple of example of machine learning algorithms, which is taking algorithms into the another level. Data structure and algorithm books are often taught as textbooks in various universities, colleges, computer science degree courses, even in my college. Yet when you put programmer in a situation where there is need to find and decide which data structures and algorithms to use to solve a problem, they struggle. I have seen this, and I think one reason is that is the perspective. When you read something like a textbook, your perspective is just to do well in the exam. You might not be thinking about the learning and applying that knowledge to the real world problems. Since data structure and algorithms are the core of any programming language or the programming problems, it becomes extremely important for programmers to master them, even if you have learned well during the academics. So in this video I'm going to share my favorite books on data structures and algorithms, which I think are great read and can help every programmer to master data structures and algorithms. After reading some feedback, that a combination of book and online courses work better for beginners. I have also shared some online data structure algorithms course in the description. You can join them with this books. So on the number one, that's the book which is my personal favorite. That is Introduction to Algorithms by Thomas H. Corman. This is one of the best books on the computer algorithms. It's written by four authors. One of them is Thomas H. Corman, who is very famous. Whose another book that is Unlocked Algorithms is also most recommended book to learn algorithms. This book is lot more comprehensive and covers lot of different algorithms and advanced problem solving techniques like greedy algorithms, dynamic programming, amortized analysis, along with the elementary data structures like stacks and queues, arrays, linked lists, hash tables, trees, graphs, etc. This book is unique combination of completeness and rigorousness. Another good thing about this book is that algorithms are explained in English and in pseudocode, which can be understood by even programmers who just have started the programming. But if you want to learn data structure in Java, then you can also combine this book with data structures and algorithms deep dive into Java course on the Udemy. It's equally useful to all kind of programmers like senior, experienced, and freshers and in all kinds of programming languages like Java, C, or C++, since it's written in pseudocode. So it is one of the must read books on the algorithms for software programmers and developers. So moving on number two, we have Algorithms by Robert Sedgwick and Kevin Vane. This was my preferred resource on algorithms for a long time. It is still, but now I see it less often than before. You will learn lots of background on the algorithm, and nowadays even specific versions of this book is available for different programming languages like Java and C++. There's also a couple of free Coursera online courses for this book, like Algorithms Part 1 and Algorithms Part 2, of which I have done Algorithms Part 1, and it's great course. That is, it immensely deep dives you into the algorithms, and which nicely complements this book, and it's excellent. It's also my top recommendation to Java programmers for learning the algorithms. While on Coursera, it also has some of the best collection of data structures and algorithm courses covering each important topic. They are bundled together as Coursera specialization on algorithms. If you are keen on learning algorithms in deep, that's a place I would suggest you to go. Believe it or not, but if you already know a programming language and then seeing an example for algorithms on that programming language, then others also reduces the learning curve of Moving on number three, we have Algorithm Design by Kleinberg and Tardos. This is actually the second best book in algorithms after the Thomas Corman's Introduction to Algorithms. It's not really an introduction to algorithms and more suited to experienced programmers, like it's somewhat advanced level, and it's more about the algorithm design for developers familiar with the basic algorithms. You should start with the introduction of algorithm books or the algorithm by Robert Sedgwick, and then continue with this book. By the way, if you like, you can also combine your learning with an online course like Algorithms and Data Structure Part 1 and Part 2 on the Plural site. It's a nice course to get familiar with essentials, algorithms, and data structure before you move on to algorithm design topic, and it's a bit of advanced book, so I would recommend after reading some low level book on algorithm, you should jump on to this. So moving on to the next, on number 4 we have Data Structures and Algorithms in Java by Michael T. Goodrich. This is another conventional book on algorithms and data structures. Two things which I liked about this book are examples are given in my favorite Java programming language, and you can use this book as a reference for learning data structures like stack, queue, linked list, tree, or graph. The good thing about this book is that if you are not only it not only focuses on data structures and algorithms but also on Java, which makes it an ideal choice for Java programmers. Though it doesn't cover a lot of algorithms, it did cover algorithms related to directed cyclic graphs, minimum spanning trees, and comes up with a lot of exercises for practice. So I have also read this book and it's great, and for Java programmers it's like a beginners course, or beginner friendly, you can say beginner friendly book. So Java programmers must go through this book. So moving on to number 5, we have Grokking Algorithms by Aditya. It's one of the best books I have read on algorithms, particularly from a beginner's point of view. It uses modern day examples like how Facebook would have stored a username so that it can search it easily when login. These examples resonate better with the beginners and help them to grasp the concept like why array is better choice than a linked list for searching algorithms. Aditya's background on fine arts also makes this book a visual learning resource. You will find so many interesting to the point diagrams in this book, which helps you to learn the concept better and quicker. In short, one of the best algorithm book for any beginner programmer. It is the grokking algorithms. It doesn't cover all the data structure and algorithm, but whatever it covers, it explains them well. So that's all on my list for the best books on data structures and algorithms. This list is equally useful to both or say many programs like Java, C, C++ programmers, or better any programmer, because it's a common programming concept and used in all kinds of projects written in different programming languages. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you like the information I shared, and be sure to subscribe our channel for more related content. Have a good day.
If you see someone with a lonely life, he is an engineer, a